Today we are going to activate a sacred code that will bring money into your life instantly and in the most unexpected ways. This ancient technique, a sacred code, is designed to activate powerful energies that will open all your paths and attract the fortune you truly deserve. Get ready to receive this great blessing. I'll guide you step by step on how to activate this powerful code. Imagine suddenly drawing in the wealth you've been dreaming of. New customers flocking to your business, soaring sales, even winning lotteries or games of chance. Yes, this code is that effective. It's incredibly powerful, yet simple to activate. All you need is a pen or marker with red ink. If you don't have red, green, or blue will work too, but avoid using any other color. This is key. The most exciting part? You can activate this code whenever you need it. Facing an unexpected bill? Need urgent cash? This method works immediately, sometimes with such astonishing speed that it might surprise you, especially if it's your first time trying it. For those who've been with me for a while, you already know the incredible power of these sacred codes. You've seen the results and experienced the benefits firsthand. So before we begin, don't forget to like this video so you can easily find it in your playlist whenever you need a quick cash boost. Now let's harness these energies. We'll start with numerology and the sacred code I'll reveal in just a moment. It's only 3 digits, but they hold immense power. Write them on your hand and prepare to be astonished by what happens next. We'll also call upon Archangel Uriel to assist us in this journey toward abundance, helping to activate the energy of money. Finally, we'll use a powerful Ho'oponopono trigger phrase to clear any negative financial beliefs, freeing you from limiting thoughts about money. It's important to keep your mind open and abundant to achieve the financial success you deserve. We're going to use 3 different energies, and gratitude is essential. Give thanks before and after performing this technique. Finally, place your absolute faith in its effectiveness. This method works, and I urge you to experience it for yourself. You might be skeptical now, but try it with full conviction. When the results come, you'll understand the value of this ancient wisdom. If it didn't work, it wouldn't have stood the test of time. Here's what you need to do. Write this specific sequence of 3 numbers on your left wrist. 520. This code will activate the energy of money, bringing unexpected, easy, and immediate wealth. Make sure to write it on your left hand using a pen or marker. Write it big. This number holds power, and you need to give it that power. I guarantee it works, and you'll see the results today as you follow along. Now, what's our next step? We're going to invoke Archangel Uriel, and I'll guide you through it. Hold your left hand with the number 520 written on it in your right hand. Close your eyes and with full intention, call out 3 times. Archangel Uriel, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Uriel. State your desire clearly. I receive money urgently to more than sufficiently meet all my needs. Code 520, code 520, code 520. Repeat the code 9 times. Why 9 times? It's crucial to hit this number. Exceeding it is fine and will only amplify the power, but falling short might prevent it from working. So let's make it count. Repeat 520, 520, 520, 520, 520. When you do this, do it with purpose. Truly invoke Archangel Uriel. Don't rush through it just to get the money. This exercise requires your energy, your love, and your higher self. Perform it with genuine love and intention. After you've repeated it 45 times, close your prayer by saying, "Code activated." That's it. You only need to do this exercise once, and it's enough. Remember, this doesn't end here. We are harnessing various powerful energies. Stay tuned and keep your mind open to the abundance coming your way. To ensure that all this money reaches us instantly, we're going to use a technique you'll need to repeat several times. Don't worry, it's incredibly simple, and you'll see results. We'll use 3 Ho'oponopono trigger phrases to cleanse any memories that make you feel guilty about wanting money. Ever feel guilt or rejection when thinking about becoming rich? That's societal conditioning. With these phrases, we'll clear those blocks and open the path to the abundance you deserve. Pay close attention because you'll repeat these phrases 3 times each. Say them out loud with intention while gently touching the 520 on your hand. Close your eyes and repeat after me. Money like rice, money like rice, money like rice. I swim in a well of rice. I swim in a well of rice. I swim in a well of rice. Chest of money, chest of money, chest of money. Done? Now share in the comments which phrase resonated with you the most. Let's declare our favorites together and attract money immediately. For the final step, gently touch the sacred code again and say, I receive money urgently and immediately, more than enough to meet all my needs. Thank you, because it is done. You followed along perfectly. Now watch this video again and take notes on each step to ensure you don't miss anything. Try it for yourself and witness the power of these energies. Before you go, share this video and information across all your social networks to help others who might be facing financial difficulties. And don't forget to come back and tell me how it went for you. I'm confident that if you follow these instructions, you'll achieve success.